We are going to do an alternate French braid, where instead of as you braid, you bring the hair into the middle from the sides, we are going to braid the whole middle section first, then we're going to bring the hair into the braid from the sides. I'll be using my advanced cap where yellow represents the top of the head, orange is above the ear, red is at the ear, and pink is below the ear. So to start this, I'm going to do a 3-strand classic braid with my yellow section. I'm simply going to braid it where the strands are going to go into the middle from the top. This is a simple classic braid. And I will do this all the way to the bottom. I'm going to tie the braid. I'm going to bring orange into the middle. I'm going to create gaps inside the braid. This one would be a gap right here, but this one is the first gap, so I don't want to use it. I'm going to go for the second gap right here. Orange will go through this gap. The easiest way to do it is you push your finger through and then you pull orange through. The next gap will be the one following the first gap, which is right here. Right there. So we're going to just go inside each gap. We're going to grab orange from the right, put your fingers through the gap, create the opening, and pull orange through. Now we're going to go from the left because we're going to do left, right, all the way down. Grabbing red from the left, the next gap is right here. Putting my fingers through it, grabbing it, and pulling it through. Now the next gap is the one right below. Grabbing my red from the right, pulling it through the gap. Next will be pink from the left, going through the next gap, pulling it through, and now creating my next gap with my fingers, grabbing the last right hand side pink to pull it through. From here you can keep going. So you can grab orange from the right, which is this one, that went all the way through, open up the following gap, and pulling orange through. Orange from the right that traveled through is now on the left, opening up the next gap. This orange will now go through. And you can keep going until you run out of hair. So all we did is a 3-strand braid into the middle. I started with the second gap, opened it, and you pull your strands through the gap all the way down. Let's go ahead and do this on the mannequin head. On the mannequin head, the yellow section is the hair on top, orange is above the ear, red is at ear level, and pink is below the ear. I grab my 3 strands from the top section of the head to create my 3-strand braid. I'm going to braid it all the way down. So I'm going to braid a 3-strand classic, bringing hair from the outside into the middle from the top. Into the middle from the top, and you keep going all the way down. We're going to tie it right here. Now we're going to bring the sides in. This would be my first gap, which I don't want to do. I'll do the second one, which is right here. So I'm going to grab orange, and I'm going to create the gap right here to pull it through. So orange, which is the top of the ear, grab it into your hands, keep the hair nice and clean, use a comb or your fingers. Grabbing the hair, there's the gap I want to create, which is right here, not the first, but the second. Putting my fingers through, creating the opening, and pulling the hair through. The second gap will be right here. So now I'm going to grab the hair from the right, keeping the hair nice and clean, making my way to the left hand side, there's my gap right there, pushing my fingers through, creating the opening, grabbing the hair and pulling it through. Grabbing hair from the left hand side, prepping it to get it pulled through, There's my gap right here. Putting my fingers through, grabbing the hair from the left and pulling it through. Grabbing hair from at the ear level or red. Prepping the hair to travel from right to left. Creating my gap, which is right here. Putting my fingers through, grabbing the hair and pulling the hair through. Grabbing pink from the left, getting it ready to travel to the right. Here's my gap. Putting my fingers through, pulling pink to the other side. And lastly, grabbing the last section, the last pink, traveling from right to left. Here's my gap, pushing my fingers through to create an opening, grabbing the hair and pulling it through. So this is how you do your alternate French braid. Now what you can do is I still have a few gaps, so I can grab hair from the left. Left is next, because you do left, right, left, right. The last one was from the right. Now I'm going to grab from the left, creating an opening from this gap, pulling the hair through, grabbing hair from the right, making it ready to travel to the left. There's my gap right here, pushing my fingers through, creating an opening, pulling it through. Then what you can do is tie all the hair together, and then you can pull a little bit to make it nice and even and nice and fluffy. And this is your alternate French braid.